Hello everyone and warm welcome to the channel. These are the cards that have come for today's guidance in tarot and oracle card reading. The cards had been taken out in the video in Hindi, the link for which will be given in the description box. You can go and check from there how the cards came. And if you want to go for a personal reading, then my email ID is given in the description box and it will also appear on the screen. It's mysticzone123@gmail.com. You can connect with me from there and we will take it forward for your personal reading. If you like the video and the reading, if it benefits you, then do not forget to like and share, and request also please subscribe to the channel. So let's see what the cards have in store for us today. The tarot card that has come is the Death card. This card stands for the end of one phase of life or end of a cycle and the beginning of a new one in your life. The card says that today there might be some endings happening and some new beginnings also happening for you, because when things end, then only new things come in place. There might be a possibility that you may want to or may have to finish something or just end something in your life, which might be related to work, relations, some investments or finances. So after that you can also start working on new things in your life. In terms of health, if you have been wanting to start some new routine or something new, then you can give up on some old habit or routine. There may be some important event happening in your life which might be a signal of the start of something new, or maybe an ending might be coming for you in that area of life. In terms of health, when we talk, this card is definitely not a very good sign. So if there is any person in your family or friend circle who is not doing well in or has some health issue, then it will be better to look after them. Consult a doctor if needed. Spiritually, the card talks of transformation. So the card sends you the message that you need to change yourself, your thoughts, your views, or just accept change. When we talk of a job or career or business, it could mean that a contract could be coming to an end, a project could be coming to an end, or some terms of employment or business might be changing for you. So you may have to adjust to those. You need to end redundancy around you, even in your house. If there are things lying around which you have not been using for a long time, or they are not in a proper working condition, it's better to throw them out. Connect with your intuition when you are taking decisions. And number 4 and 13 might be significant today. Since it's Saturday also, and the card also has a lot of black in it, so black might be a good color for the day. From the fairy cards, the card that had come was vegetarian. This card says that a new way of eating gives you more energy, greater health, clarity, and stronger manifestation abilities. So if you have not been eating your food properly, or you have not been eating on time, then it is a signal for you that you need to eat proper food, good food, healthy food, so that you can get more energy, your health can benefit, you get more mental clarity as well as stronger manifestation abilities. It might be a good idea for today, for those who are non-vegetarians, to turn to vegetarian diet for a day at least and take the benefit of healthy eating from plants. From the animal spirit deck, the card that came was Beaver Spirit, and the message is to lay a solid foundation. Whether it is for a project, whether it is for your workplace, construction of a new house, start of a new relationship, it is always good to lay a solid foundation, because weak foundations do not serve the purpose for a very long time. Things do crumble and they break down. So if you are working on any project, any business deal, or any contract, it will be very beneficial for you to give a good attention to all the terms and conditions that are there. If you are working on a new project, build a good project plan, back up with some contingency planning, and also define all the milestones so that you can ensure that things progress just in the way they are desired. If you're starting on a new relationship or a new friendship, it will be again beneficial for you to pay attention to the foundation of the relationship, that is trust. All in all, the message is that just be sure that if whatever new thing that you are beginning, the foundation is solid, so that the building that you create lasts for a long time. The last card for the day is Light. The Mermaid comes with the message that you need to recognize and appreciate your inner qualities and be like a lighthouse to those who are in darkness. You have certain inner qualities and some inner potential which makes other people look towards you as a guiding light in their life. So accept all those qualities in yourself and be the shining light in other people's life, that they may come to you for help, and if they come to you for help, be open to help them out with whatever knowledge or wisdom that you have, and see if you can benefit them with your guidance. One last card we will take out from the little deck. Okay, there's one already. So we have two cards over here. One is Three of Wands and the other is Six of Swords. So the meaning of this card is that be ready for some change that is coming in your life. The card indicates that there might be a possibility of you traveling. You already have experienced growth in your life. The plans are in place. So just be ready for with whatever you have. There might be a progression happening in your life in terms of a job or a career. Even in terms of relationships, you might be getting a chance to move ahead. It shows that there are ships coming in. So whatever thing that you were waiting for is likely to come to you, and the wait is likely to get over. Some things might happen for you, and there will be an opportunity for further expansion in your life today. The Six of Swords card shows a person in a boat with a woman and a child sitting, and there are 5 swords here. So this person is moving away from troubled times to good times with whatever possessions he has in terms of family, work, or whatever skills he has, and he is moving away towards troubled times to calmer times. This card can also indicate that there might be some additional responsibilities coming to you in terms of your work or your business, or even in your relationships. You may have to be the person who steers things away from troubles. There might also be some sort of relocation happening due to your work, like a job transfer or relocation to some other city. You may already be having some relocation on your mind. So if you were planning to move, then there might be chances for you that in the coming week or 6 days you might be moving for some work, or there might be a travel on the cards for you. So thank you for watching. Do like and share the video if you feel that the reading is it resonates with you, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.